Let's address the frustrating issue of your Samsung Galaxy Watch randomly restarting. As of February 2026, this remains a common problem, affecting 12 to 15% of owners, particularly with older models like the Galaxy Watch 4 and 5. The restarts are often due to software glitches, such as conflicts from app updates or the One UI Watch 7.0 update, causing instability in older watches. Battery degradation is another major cause, as lithium-ion batteries lose capacity over time, leading to voltage fluctuations and forced reboots. Additionally, app conflicts from overloading with fitness or third-party apps can cause crashes due to limited RAM. Newer watches have improved with recent patches, but let's get your watch working smoothly. First, try a force restart. Press and hold both side buttons for about 15 seconds until the watch restarts. Once it's back on, use the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone to check for any available software updates. Updates often contain bug fixes that can resolve the restarting issue. Make sure both your watch and phone are connected to Wi-Fi during the update process. If updating doesn't solve the problem, try clearing the cache partition. This removes temporary files that can sometimes cause instability. First, power off your watch. Press and hold the power button to turn off the watch completely. Then, press and hold the power button until you see the rebooting message. Quickly release the power button and immediately press it again repeatedly until the recovery menu appears. Use the power button to navigate to Wipe Cache Partition and select it. Confirm and wait for the process to complete. Finally, reboot your watch after the process completes to apply the changes. As a last resort before seeking professional help, you can perform a factory reset. This will erase all data on your watch, so back up anything important first. In the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone, navigate to the General Settings, then select Reset. Confirm the reset on your watch by following the on-screen prompts. This will return your watch to its original factory settings, hopefully eliminating any persistent software issues that were causing the restarts. Battery health is a major factor in random restarts on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. Over time, the battery degrades and may not provide stable power, leading to unexpected reboots. The lithium-ion battery in your watch naturally degrades over time, losing its ability to hold a stable charge. This can cause voltage fluctuations that trigger restarts. To maintain battery health, avoid letting your watch battery drain completely on a regular basis. Fully depleting the battery can accelerate degradation and increase the risk of restarts. Use the Samsung Health app to monitor your battery usage. It provides detailed information about power consumption and can help you identify patterns that might be causing restarts. Review which apps are using the most battery power. Fitness tracking apps, or those with constant GPS usage, often consume more energy and could contribute to instability. Finally, limit the number of apps running in the background. Reducing background activity helps conserve battery life and prevents power-related restarts. Certain apps can cause conflicts, leading to restarts on your Galaxy Watch. Think about when the restarting issue started. Did it coincide with installing a new app or updating an existing one? Try uninstalling recently added apps one by one to see if the problem goes away. Pay special attention to watch faces and fitness apps, as these are frequent culprits. If software fixes don't work, the problem may be hardware-related. Common issues include battery defects, such as degradation or thermal problems that can cause frequent restarts. In early 2026, Samsung initiated a recall program for certain Galaxy Watch 4 units manufactured between 2021 and 2022 due to battery defects that cause overheating and unexpected restarts. Check if your watch is eligible for a free replacement under warranty by contacting Samsung support or visiting their website. Looking ahead, Samsung is incorporating AI-driven diagnostics to predict and prevent restarts. Also, newer models like the Galaxy Watch 7 feature improved battery technology. To prevent future issues, keep your watch updated, avoid extreme temperatures, and be mindful of the apps you install. By staying proactive, you can keep your Samsung Galaxy Watch running smoothly for years to come.